Welcome back to Bree's Pastry House. Today we're making the coziest, most comforting treat, honey butter cornbread. Soft in the center, golden on the edges, and topped with a warm honey butter glaze, this recipe brings pure homemade comfort in every bite. Let's get started. Ingredients: flour, cornmeal, sugar, salt, baking powder, egg, milk, unsalted butter melted, honey, vanilla extract, mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, mix them combine. Don't overmix them. For honey, butter swirl ingredients: unsalted butter, honey, this honey butter swirl gives each bite that bakery-style richness and keeps the cornbread extra moist. Pour the batter on the bottom of the pan. Then pour the swirl pour another batter until the swirl is top. Bake it at 400 degrees for 20 to 23 minutes. Warm the cornbread. Brush the extra honey and unsalted butter on the top of the cornbread for a glossy finish. Thanks for baking with me today at Bree's Pastry House. I hope this honey butter cornbread brings as much comfort to your kitchen as it does to mine. If you love this cozy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more warm, homemade bakes every week. See you in the next video, and happy baking!